Hey folks, Dan Frio here, your trusted mortgage advisor to make sure you guys get the truth and nothing but the truth when it comes to real estate and mortgages. So what I want to show you, I want to do a little bit of a different theme today. I want to show you behind the scenes on what I do and how I monitor rates and figure out where in the world are mortgage rates going. Why? Because I owe it to you guys, my viewers. Because if you're out there looking for a mortgage, I don't care if you're buying a house, building a house, refinancing, doing a reverse mortgage, or any other kind of mortgage, I would like to be your trusted advisor, and I like to show you guys what I do behind the scenes to make sure I can entrust, or you can entrust me with your mortgage needs. I'm just trying to explain to you guys what's going on with mortgage rates and why my channel might be the one channel that you'll focus in on, because I'm not a CPA, I'm not a realtor, I'm not a financial planner, I'm a mortgage guy. I do this all day, every day, and I've done it for over 30 years. So let me go behind the scenes a little bit and show you guys what I do on a morning basis and what I do all day long. The first piece of my puzzle is I use a system called MBS Live. If you'd like to join this and you're a realtor out there or a mortgage advisor, I'll put a link down below where you could subscribe to this system as well. But I go in every day and I figure out what the news is for the day that might cause reactions in the market. Okay, so right here it gives me a caption of what's going on throughout the world. Okay, right in here, it gives me some economic news and when some other news might be posted. Then there's a short video. Then we go to economic data for the day, and we saw that right here, and I'll recap this in a minute. Market movements, trends, ceilings, floors, a lot of data, recommendations on floating or locking, and then the economic calendar right down in here. In the middle section, you're gonna see bond trading, and these are live. You can't see a lot of these tickers in here. They look black to you, but they're green on my end because I have a green screen. And then over here gives me the chart. I can pick a chart for one day all the way up to as long as they've been tracking all this information. So the one piece of the puzzle that's coming out today that might play a role in some of this activity and what's going on is the housing data. So let's go down through the economic calendar in this format, because I just triggered this on my system here to give you guys economic news that just came out. So let's go over here. The only economic news out today is basically existing home sales, and they came in at 5.12 million. The expectations were for 5.38. In the previous month, we were at 5.41. So people are going to start saying, okay, there you go. See, the housing market is starting to crack. Well, you have to put a lot of this into context. Okay, one big piece of this is existing home sales as a percentage dropped 5.4%. Okay, so what I want to look in on this is how is inventory? Well, we know inventory is going up, but we know rates are going up as well. So those two might contradict or basically put a little bit of a halt on this market. I'm still not saying that I think home prices are going to crash. Or will they be steady and maybe have a little decline? Yeah, but in many areas, you're still seeing a lot of robust activities. Okay, so let's get over and put some of this into context throughout here is what you're used to looking at. So we start our day, we look at the mortgage-backed securities market. This is the bond that trades on Wall Street that tells me the direction of where mortgage rates are going. This number right here represents the price of a bond. Okay, as this price goes up, a price of a bond goes up, the yield goes down. Okay, let me make sense of this for you for the newbies out there. Let's say we have a bond, okay, mortgage-backed security bond. I got it in my hand. And next year, this bond, it'll give me back $100 as a return. So the coupon on that bond is for $100. Okay, so let me show you how if the price goes down, rates go up. All right, so let's say today I spend $100 for that bond. So I give you $100. And a year from now, I give you the bond back and you give me my $100 back. You're gonna be like, Dan, that doesn't make any sense because your yield, you didn't make any money on that. So my yield is 0%. So that's the high price. Okay, so let me show you how this works as the price of the bond goes down. So let's say, for example, I give you $50 today. Okay, and again, remember next year when I hand you the coupon, you got to give me $100 back. So you give me $100 back. So what's my return? Gave you 50, I get $100 back. Well, 100%. So do you see how the price, if the price goes down, rates go up. So that's why we watch this market. So what I do is I pay specific attention what this market is doing based on the economic calendar that we have to determine where rates are going in the direction of rates. I also monitor the economic calendar in detail to see what is coming up. So let's get over with, based on all this, what's the market reactions doing? Well, the Dow Jones doesn't like some of this data. It's down 150, but we just rallied off an 800, I think it was a 600 or 800 point increase yesterday. So there's probably a little profit taking right here. Other thing I like to watch in here is oil prices. What is oil doing? It is down $1.37 or 1.31%. So that helps me get a gauge on the biggest piece of inflation that we're seeing is the pain at the pump. So oil prices are coming down a little bit. I still want this below 100, and the Dow Jones, I was expecting a little pullback in that. So let's go over to where mortgage rates are. Well, where they ended last night, because I don't show you mortgage rates from any individual investors. I basically show you Mortgage News Daily's rate sheet, because they post this every day, and it's a good format to watch and learn from. So we show over here all the formatted loan programs. We got 30-year fixed, 15-year fixed, 30-year jumbo, the 5-year ARM, 30-year FHA, and the 30-year VA. You can see through here there's really no change. So if there's a change, if the change isn't at least 0.10 in this area, 0.10, not 0.01, you're probably not going to see any really changes on rate sheets. The reason why I show you these and the changes is if you have not locked in yet, but you got a quote. So you can see the direction of where mortgage rates are going every day. What I ask people to do is, if you've already gotten a quote or you're locked in, please send us your loan estimates. What we can do is we can compare your loan estimate with lenders all over the country. I'm a mortgage broker, so what that means is I have access to over 100 different lenders nationwide. I am now nationwide. We are federally chartered, meaning we can help you anywhere in the US as well as Puerto Rico. So if you're out there and you're looking for a mortgage, I would love to try to earn your business or win your business. So if you have a loan estimate out there, you got a pre-approval from somebody, you got a pre-qualification from somebody, or you locked in your rate or you're floating, send me that paperwork and I'm going to give you that information at the end so I can review that with over 100 lenders throughout the whole country to ensure you're getting the best rate, the best program, and the lowest fees in the industry. So that being said, I created a new website and it is revamped. It is called Credit Scores and More. So I wish you could visit this today if you would. Just check it out. Let me know what you think. We added a ton new features. You can go through here and get your free credit scores, your true credit scores, meaning your FICO. You can get a credit repair services. And if you're a renter out there and you're like, hey, I pay my rent diligently, but it's not showing up on my credit report, this is a way to do that. And there's a whole bunch of other things here. If you need a mortgage, this is a way to apply with me. If you want some newsletters, some blogs, and a whole bunch of information, check that out. But if you like my show and you like what I'm doing and you want to get involved and say, hey, Dan, what can you do for us? We're building a house, we're refinancing, we're looking for a reverse mortgage, renovation loan, or anything. Here's the best way to go. Go to therateupdate.com. Here's my website. There's a whole bunch of information up above on how to call us, 844-775-5626. You can schedule a meeting. A lot of people do that. And even we have a chat button here now. So if you're online and you just have a specific question, you're like, hey, I really want an answer now, just check that out. Shoot us a quick little text. We'll blip you back and we'd love to help you. So again, my name is Dan Frio. I'm hopefully your trusted mortgage advisor. If you'd like to find out more about me and my team or give us a call, just visit us at therateupdate.com. Thanks for watching. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.